Hi, my name is Nia. I'm a texture expert here at All Dolled Up Salons, and today I'm going to be using the Kazmaleje pick alongside of the Design Essentials Silk Essentials. I'm taking this Silk Essentials in my hand, just a little bit. I'm going to rub it onto my hands, warm it up, and I'm going to be using this to unravel the twist. So I usually would turn it the opposite direction of how it was twisted. And that helps me to not only spread the product over the twist, but unravel the twist in a way that won't make it frizz. The Design Essentials Platinum Mousse was used to twist the hair. And we also used the paddle comb to detangle. So here we go. This is our finished look. It was achieved by a twist out using our Kazmaleje pick. If you are interested in getting this look, you can book an appointment with me. My name is Nia. I'm a texture expert as well as makeup artist here in All Dolled Up Salons. And if you're interested, you can also pick up one of your Kazmaleje tools.